Great day, everyone. I'm Cesar Martin, a teacher of Bonglo Elementary School, Atok District. I'm delighted to present my action research entitled SciDrama Model, its effect on the performance of grade 4 science learners. Science is a kind of venture which occurs from learning experiences and comes to be a witty piece of humanity refinement and of course our way of life. In today's modern educational system, science teachers face tremendous roles in communicating scientific literacy to learners with different learning styles that would prepare them to be productive individuals, and that is according to Villones as of 2018. To this point, one of the renowned formidable voices of challenges that almost all of the science elementary teachers encounter during scientific literacy presentations are sustaining learners' attention and understanding the desired competencies, process skills, and concepts. Another matter that science teachers would want to quiz is on the methods that would enhance the learner's evaluative learning experiences in scientific literacy. Because the PISA or the Program for International Students Assessment result show that the Filipino learners attained an average score of 357 points in scientific literacy. That is much lower than the overall average of 489 points. This result calls for urgent action for the people in the Department of Education. There is dearth of studies on drama for science education, and that is according to Abed of 2016, Kamburi et al. Of 2014, and Yoon of 2006, when in fact it is pivotal that this pedagogy at hand is minded with cautious investigation in science elementary setting. Besides, Can of 2013 conferred that there are only a few types of research on the effects of the creative drama applications on student science performance. At Bonglo Elementary School, science has been one of the difficult subject areas where learners incur low performance levels due to insufficient instructional materials, inadequate science learning tool and resources, insufficient knowledge on various science approaches, and lack of teachers' training and seminar workshop. Villones of 2018 stated that scarcity of developmentally appropriate tool, teaching pedagogy, and learners' concentration were some of the educational concerns. For the key literature, drama as a strategy presents the knowledge of experiential theory in developing, evaluating, and learning science education, and that is according to Varielas et al. Of 2010. It allows the learners to act out and express their thoughts about someone or something. Hendricks et al. Of 2012 and Yoon of 2006 reported that drama is an effective teaching pedagogy. McGregor of 2014 likewise showed that drama techniques as a teaching strategy in science motivated learners. According to Varielas et al. Of 2010, teachers utilize models as one of their classroom teaching strategies to enhance learners' performance in science. And Abed of 2016 stated that one type of modeling is a drama on scientific concepts or ideas. Moreover, according to Ilhan et al. Of 2015, drama contributes to the development of macro skills such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening. For the methodology, the study utilized a quantitative method, particularly the one group pretas postes pre-experimental design, since its main purpose is to determine the effectiveness of the SciDrama model to the academic performance of the grade 4 learners on the fourth quarter least learned competencies in science. Total enumeration was utilized because it included all the grade 4 learners who are enrolled in the school. Thus, no sampling techniques were necessary. In this study, pretest and post-test were used as the primary data collection instruments. Descriptive statistics were employed, specifically weighted mean for the first and second problems, while t-test was employed for the third problem because there was only one group of participants and it was measured twice through pretest and post-test. Let's get going for the findings. Before the intervention, results showed overall mean score equal to 10.33 with percentage equivalent of 34.44% of the 30 total numbers of items in the pretest. This implies that the overall level of performance of the participants on the science least learned competencies before the intervention can be described qualitatively as low. After the intervention, results showed an overall mean score equal to 26.67 with the percentage equivalent of 88.89%. This implies that the overall level of performance of the participants in the post-test can be described qualitatively as close, approximating mastery. Results showed highly significant differences in the overall students' performance compared between their pretest and post-test scores, with a t-computed value equal to negative 11.39 and p-value of 0.000, which is significant at 1% level of significance. Thus, the null hypothesis was rejected, which denotes that there was a significant difference in the level of performance on the least learned competencies of the grade 4 learners before and after the intervention. Variances computed also show that the pretest scores of the learners have higher variability than their post-test scores. These findings imply that the performance of the learners increased after using the SciDrama model, which further suggests that the use of this intervention to the diverse learners is effective. SciDrama is an essential intervention in the teaching and learning process in science. It is a nature of children which can stimulate daily life experiences and offers various chances to the learners to express and evaluate their science knowledge. It also allows the learners to have fun, create meaningful learning environment, boost self-esteem, and develop social interaction and creativity skills. It also reinforces and increases the intrinsic motivation of learners to fully participate in class and arouses learners' curiosity. For the conclusions, first, the level of performance of the grade 4 learners on the science least learned competencies before the intervention was low. The level of performance of the grade 4 learners on the science least learned competencies after the intervention was close, approximating mastery. And the difference in the level of performance on the least learned competencies of the grade 4 learners before and after the intervention was highly significant. For the recommendations, teachers are encouraged to use SciDrama Model as classroom teaching pedagogy to increase the level of performance of the learners in the science least learned competencies. Second, teachers are encouraged to integrate drama not only in teaching science but also with the other subjects. And third, the school administrators are encouraged to support and adopt the utilization of the SciDrama model as a classroom teaching intervention. Thank you so much for listening.